Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fix switch to youtube.com problem. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. And once you open the settings, you should scroll down until you navigate to apps, click on apps, then go to manage apps. And now we should search here for YouTube. So I will search for YouTube like this. Click on it. Then what you should do is to go to storage. Once you go to storage, click on clear data, click on clear cache, click on OK. And now we are all done. You can now check if the application is working properly or not. Now go back again, scroll down till you find here app permissions, go to app permissions and give it all the permissions. I will give it the permission to the contact, give it the permission, click on allow, click on files and media, give it the permission only while using the app. Now go back again, give it the permission to the microphone, then give it the permission to the phone itself. And this is how you can actually fix your problem. You can now go and check if your application is working properly or not. Now, the last thing that you can do is to go to your Play Store, App Store, whatever you have. I will go to the Play Store because I have an Android. Then search for YouTube. I'll search for YouTube like this. Then after searching for YouTube, you should make sure that you do not have any updates. So here I have an update. I will update it, then come to you back. After updating the application, your issue will be fixed and you can try to see if the application is working properly or not. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.